create grid. For that, go to Architecture tab. In that Datum panel, here it is grid. Grid means, you can see here I have a PDF. This grid system created in Tekla Structure software. Now you can see here all the footing and column location marked using grid. So this type of grid, how to create in Revit, we will see in this lecture. To create grid, first you need to select here floor plan. Select the floor plan. So now I just select here level 1. Next, go to Datum panel. Select here grid. Once you select the grid, you will get it here option bar. Then here you can see here contextual toolbar drop panel is open. In that first one line, by default you will get it this line. If you got this line, you can click the first point, you can click the next point, automatically the grid will create. Then you can see here grid naming and all, you will get it like this. Continuously you can create grid. You can see here dimension. Now I just make it here 10 feet. Here it is 10 feet. Click this point, and if you move your mouse, then you can click here, automatically naming everything, you will get it. Here it is 1 and 2. Now I just go to this side, I just make it here 20 feet. Here it is 20 feet. Then I place it here, it is grid. So like that, how many grids you want, you can create using this one. Then right click, cancel, or you can use escape key in your keyboard. It will come out from this tool. Now you can select any grid. Again escape, just select this grid, double escape you need to make. Now select this grid. Now you can click this small circle, you can see here. Click that circle, click and hold the left click in your mouse. Wherever you want, you can move, just drag and drop it. So like that, you can move the location. Similar way, you can click this circle location, drag and drop it. Then you can see here one symbol, just click this symbol, you will get it like this jogged line. Just click here, make it like this, you will get it like this. Then if you want to change this name, just double click and you can make changes. Now I just need to make it here A, then click outside, here it is A. Double click this one, make it here B, like that possible. I just make it here 2, then click outside, double click 1, then click outside. Like that you can make this rename. Then you can see here, if you select any grid, in between distance also you will get it. Select the grid, you can click this dimension, this is temporary dimension, you can select the dimension. Now I just make it here 20, then enter. Now you can see this dimension changed from this line. Now I select this one. Okay, if I change this one, this line it will fix, but this line only will change. Now I just change here 10 feet, then enter. Now you can see this dimension and this dimension only will change. These two it will fix. Now I just select this one. If I change this dimension 20, now you can see this dimension will change to 20. So like that you can make changes. If you go to any other level, you can see here level 2. I just go to level 2, you will get it grid. If you go to level 1, all the area you will get it grid. But you can select this one. If you want to change any one, make it unlock. Now I just change here. You can make changes in any one grid. Now I just go to level 2. Here also you will get it the same changes, but only one level only you need to make different changes. That also possible. Select this one. Now I just click this 3D. You can see here 3D. Click here, you will get it here 2D. Now I just click this grid, Now I just made changes. Then click outside. So these changes only applied in this level 1 only. If you go to level 2, here it is old only. No changes happen here. Now I just go to level 1, here it is changed. Now select this one, click this grid, and you can place it wherever you want. Similar way, if you select this one, this also you can place it like this. Now if you want to create grid this side, that also possible. Just go to grid, then select this one. Already default you will get it. Select, and I click the first point, then next point. Here it is created like this. Now escape twice, then double click this one. I just make it here A, then click outside. Here it is created label A. Now I just go to grid again, select this one default. Now I just place it, here it is. You can type the value also. I just make it here 15, then enter. Now here it is 15. Now you can see here the next grid naming A, B. If you create any other grid also, you will get it the same A, B, C, like that. It will continue the label. Now this is normal grid. Straight grid you can create using this line. Next one we have start and radius option. Using this one you can create radial grid. So select this one, start, then end. Then which side you want, you can make that one. You can see the radius also. Now I just click here, here it is created. Then escape twice, again go to grid. Now I select this tool, start and radius. Click the first point, then just move like this. You can give the value. Now I just make it here 20, then enter. Here it is 20. Now you can see here it is coming like this. Which radius you have, you can make the radius. Now I just make it here 10, and here it is. So this is 20 feet. Here it is 10 feet radius. One radial grid is created. So like that you can create any grid. Then escape twice. You can select any grid. You can see here this side label is coming like this, but if you don't want, you can click here. We don't have any label. If you want to change to this side, here it is coming. You can change. You need it both the side, you need it label. You can make that one label or bubble, like that we can call. Then here also if you want, you can make that one. Just click here. You never get that bubble or label. Again go to grid. Then we have another one more option. Here it is center end arc. So center end arc, you have to make center like this. Then you can make like this. You can create this one. Now I just select this one, and I just make it center, then end. Now you can see here it is radius. Now I just make like this. So this is grid. So like that you can make any center end radius option also. Next one, pick lines. This is very useful in Revit. Pick lines. Now I just select this all the grid. Select any one grid. Just click this point and just place it here. Now I go to grid again. Select pick line. Then you have to make it what is the offset. I just make it here 10 feet. Then you can pick the line. It will offset. If you pick inside, it will offset inside. If you pick outside, it will offset outside. So now I just go to outside. I click here. Here it is offset. I just click outside. Here it is offset. If I click inside, it will offset inside. Similar way you can offset this radial grid also. So this is the way you can create this type of grid. Next we have one more option, that is multi-segment. Using this one you can create multi-segment grid. Select this one, then you can select the option also. Here we have lots of option. This one is start end radius, what we done previously, same like that. Then here it is center end arc. Then here it is tangent end arc. then here it is fillet arc. So like that, few option also available. This all the things almost the same, but this one only small different. If you want, you can make fillet also. Now I just select this line, then click the first point, then click the next point and click next point. Then if you click here, grid will create like this. Then you can select this one, you can change everything what we done, same like that you can make changes everything here also. Now if you want to change this one, you can select this one and go to edit sketch also possible. See here, if you select edit sketch, you will get it like this. Then if you want to make fillet arc, you can select the fillet arc, then select here radius. Now I just make it here 5 feet radius and click here and click here, you will get it 5 feet radius like this. Then click here, you will get it like this grid. Then click outside, here it is. If you want to go grid again, then go to multi-segment. You can create using these all the options and you can create multi-segment. In this multi-segment also you can make pick line also. If you use pick line, you can make offset all the grids. So this is the way you can create grid in Revit.